So real quick, working on a relatively new Pitco fryer. You can see this is model SSH LV14, and we were having problems with these pilot lights staying on. They were continually getting sucked out. So we did the DC millivolt test to make sure that the pilot was the right strength, which it was, and that is adjusted right here. You take this screw out, and behind there's actually a little flat screw, and then you measure the millivolts that you're getting off of the flame sensor, which is this wire right here, and you can screw that in to close it off and back it out to open it up. So we got the flame adjusted properly, but it was still sucking out the flame pretty much every time it would turn on and turn off. So what I finally figured out what was going on is this entire piece right here. See how you can push it in or out? If this is bent too far in, when the burners shut off, it causes a puff of air to pull inside and actually blow that flame out. So if you're having this issue, just take you can actually just use your finger if it's not hot, and bend this out. Bend it this direction a little ways so that the flame is just touching the face of the burner. That way, when the flame goes out again, which you'll see in a moment here, hopefully it doesn't blow it out. I had to do it to this one too, just tweak it back out slightly. Okay, that one shut off and didn't blow out. Earlier it was blowing out like every other time, and this one was blowing out every single time. And also cleaned the flame sensor, made sure that was not the problem. But likely if your thing is getting blown out every single time the burner's shut off on one of these Pitco things, might have to do with the positioning of that entire pilot assembly and not just the strength of the flame. So something to check and look for. It took me a while to get that figured out, so I thought I'd share it with you guys because probably will be helpful. Let's watch it again here. It's going. Actually, for fun, we're going to push this in. Oh, we weren't fast enough. Let's say for fun we should push it in to show how it was, but we don't need to do that. We got it taken care of. Hope that you found this helpful, and I'll talk to you in the next video.